Nature Stinks, written by Kara Fred. Focus questions. How does being stinky help plants and animals? Stinky nature. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being sticky helps some plants and animals stay alive. Stinky fairy animals. These animals spray a stinky liquid when enemies get close. These animals plays dead if enemies get close. It also makes stinky green slimy. A very stinky plant. The group's flowers stinks. A grub is a dead body, and these plants smell like one. The plant's bad smell brings thousand beetles near. These animals shoot a stinky liquid at its enemies. This animal makes a stinky liquid to keep other animals away. It also spits on food it doesn't eat right away. The smell may keep other animals away. This animal fights over mates. It uses stinky pee to keep others away. Stinky bird. The stinky bird has wings but does not fly much. This bird eats leaves. Tiny living things in its body break down the leaves. This way of eating makes it smell bad. The smell acid in filters so much helps it eat. This bird eats dead animals. It throws up when its enemies get close. It throws up smell very bad. Stinky birds. These birds spray a hot, stinky liquid when enemies get close. The liquid is so hot that it can kill some enemies. The sticky breath that some millipedes give off can itch and burn. This bug is too slow to run away. It makes a stinky liquid when enemies get close. Other stink animals. This turtle is also called stink bug. It smells bad when enemies get close. This frog smells like rotten onions when enemies get close. Cold and stinky. Some animals smell bad. Some plants smell bad too. Being stinky helps some plants and animals stay alive.